Well, the family members were in the middle of appealing the removal from the U.S. when they were put on a plane to El Salvador. The judge ordering the Justice Department to bring them back, saying, quote, "This is pretty outrageous that someone seeking justice in the U.S. court is spirited away while her attorneys are arguing for justice for her." Doug McElway picks up the story live from Washington. So, Doug, what's the background here?
Well, Julie, the background here is best summed up by this segment of Judge Emmett Sullivan's court order that I'm about to read to you. It really sums up his outrage at the deportation of a woman known only as Carmen. It reads, and I quote here, "It is hereby ordered that the defendant shall return Carmen and her daughter to the United States forthwith, and it is further ordered that in the event that the defendants do not fully comply with this order, they shall be ordered to appear in court to show cause why they should not be held in contempt of court." The defendants are Attorney General Jeff Sessions, DHS Secretary Kirstjen Nielsen, as well as two senior executives with the Immigration Service. The plane that took Carmen and her daughter back to El Salvador, where the two were fearful of threats from gang members, did apparently turn around. The Department of Homeland Security told us, and I quote, "In compliance with the court's order upon arrival in El Salvador, the plaintiffs did not disembark and were promptly returned to the United States." The Department of Justice declined to comment to Fox News. Jennifer Chang Newell with the ACLU's Immigration Rights Project said in a statement that the administration's actions were putting immigrants in grave danger. Quote, "In its rush to deport as many immigrants as possible, the Trump administration is putting these women and children in grave danger of being raped, beaten, or killed," her statement read. And she added that we are thrilled the stay of removal was issued, but sickened that the government deported two of our clients, a mom and a little girl, in the early morning hours. "We will not rest until our clients are returned to safety." That's where it stands right now. Julie, obviously to be continued at this point.